Imagine a world where the streets are quiet, the air is clean, and the vehicles we drive don't rely on fossil fuels. This isn't a distant dream. It's the reality we're moving toward with the rise of electric vehicles, or EVs. In this video, we'll explore how electric vehicles are transforming transportation, their connection to renewable energy, and why they're a key part of building a sustainable future. What are electric vehicles? Electric vehicles, or EVs, are vehicles powered by electricity instead of gasoline or diesel. They use electric motors and rechargeable batteries to move, producing zero tailpipe emissions. There are three main types of EVs. Battery electric vehicles. These run entirely on electricity and need to be charged from an external power source. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. These combine a battery with a traditional internal combustion engine, allowing them to run on electricity or gasoline. Hybrid electric vehicles. These use both an electric motor and a gasoline engine, but cannot be plugged in to charge. EVs are not just cars. They include buses, trucks, bikes, and even scooters. As technology advances, EVs are becoming more affordable, efficient, and accessible to people around the world. Growth of electric vehicles. The electric vehicle revolution is well underway. Over the past decade, EV sales have skyrocketed, driven by advancements in battery technology, government incentives, and growing awareness of climate change. In 2020, global EV sales reached over 3 million vehicles, and this number is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. Countries like Norway, China, and the United States are leading the charge, with EVs making up a significant portion of new car sales. Automakers are also committing to an electric future. Companies like Tesla, Nissan, and Volkswagen are investing billions in EV production, while others, like General Motors and Volvo, have announced plans to go fully electric by 2035. How EVs reduce carbon emissions. One of the biggest advantages of electric vehicles is their ability to reduce carbon emissions. Traditional gasoline and diesel vehicles are major contributors to air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, which drive climate change. EVs, on the other hand, produce zero tailpipe emissions. Even when accounting for the electricity used to charge them, EVs are generally cleaner than conventional vehicles. For example, in regions with a high share of renewable energy, like Norway or Iceland, the carbon footprint of an EV is significantly lower than that of a gasoline car. Connection between EVs and renewable energy. Electric vehicles and renewable energy are a perfect match. Here's why. Clean charging. When EVs are charged using electricity from renewable sources like solar, wind, or hydropower, their environmental impact is even lower. This creates a truly sustainable transportation system. Grid stability. EVs can act as mobile energy storage units. Through vehicle-to-grid technology, EVs can feed electricity back into the grid during peak demand, helping balance supply and demand. Energy independence. By reducing reliance on imported oil and shifting to domestically produced renewable energy, countries can enhance their energy security and reduce geopolitical risks. Challenges facing electric vehicles. Despite their many benefits, electric vehicles face several challenges that need to be addressed. Charging infrastructure. The availability of charging stations is still limited in many areas, especially in rural and developing regions. Expanding this infrastructure is crucial for widespread EV adoption. Battery production. The production of lithium-ion batteries, which power most EVs, requires mining for materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel. This process can have environmental and ethical concerns. High upfront costs. While EVs are cheaper to operate in the long run, their upfront cost is often higher than that of traditional vehicles, though prices are steadily decreasing. Innovations in electric vehicles. To overcome these challenges, The EV industry is constantly innovating solid-state batteries. These next-generation batteries promise higher energy density, faster charging, and improved safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Wireless charging. Imagine charging your EV simply by parking it over a charging pad. Wireless charging technology is already being tested and could revolutionize how we power our vehicles. Autonomous driving. Self-driving EVs could reduce traffic congestion, improve safety, and make transportation more efficient. Recycling and sustainability. Companies are developing ways to recycle old EV batteries and use them for energy storage, reducing waste and environmental impact. Global impact of electric vehicles. The rise of electric vehicles is a global phenomenon. Here are some examples of how different countries are embracing EVs. Norway is a global leader in EV adoption, with over 80% of new car sales being electric in 2022, thanks to strong government incentives and a robust charging network. China. China is the world's largest EV market, driven by government policies, air quality concerns, and a growing middle class. United States. The US is seeing rapid growth in EV sales, supported by federal tax credits, state-level incentives, and commitments from automakers. Future of electric vehicles. The future of electric vehicles is bright. By 2030, it's estimated that EVs could make up over 30% of global vehicle sales, with some countries aiming for 100% electric new car sales by 2040. As renewable energy becomes more widespread, the environmental benefits of EVs will only grow. Innovations in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and autonomous driving will make EVs more affordable, convenient, and efficient. Electric vehicles are more than just a trend. They are a crucial part of the solution to climate change and air pollution. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on renewable energy and sustainability. Together, let's drive toward a cleaner, greener future. Thanks for watching.